Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and the workspace. This saves time and prevents mistakes. First, park the Access 125 on level ground and switch off the ignition, then disconnect the battery half a turn to prevent shorts. Remove the seat bolts using an 8mm or 10mm socket, unclip the seat harness, and set fasteners in a labeled tray. Once done, use a flat pry to lift the top cover tabs gently. Make sure to note clip positions so reassembly is fast and precise. Continue by removing the top assembly bolts. Work in a grid so you keep track of positions, and use a torque wrench to note original tightness. Once bolts are out, gently separate the top to access electrical connectors. Label each lead before disconnecting to speed reconnection later. Inspect the mounting plates and plastic clips for cracks or wear. Replace any damaged clips and clean contact surfaces with isopropyl. Doing this ensures the new top fits flush and prevents rattles or stress fractures over time. To finish, position the replacement top and hand start all mounting bolts so alignment is even, then torque to the manufacturer's spec to avoid over-tightening. Reconnect wiring in the order you labeled. Once connected, test lights, horn, and lock operation before snugging trim screws. If you find misalignment or gaps, do not force bolts. Loosen adjacent fasteners, realign the top, then retorque evenly. Troubleshooting tip. If wiring functions but a rattle persists, add a 1-2mm foam pad between.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.